Some suggest our genes hold echoes not just of our biological inheritance, but also of ancestral cultural emotional memories absorbed over millennia. Like a hologram, each cell contains the collective history of our lineage encoded in its structure. Certain vistas may trigger an innate response, because early humans evolved in close relation to the patterns of the natural world. The rhythm of day and night, the cycle of the seasons were imprinted in our very DNA. Beholding a photograph of a vast starry sky or sweeping vista may spark remembrances from distantly long ago when our forebears first gazed upon such scenes under the African savanna. Our present eyes see through the portals of an ancient past. On an epigenetic level, some studies indicate certain environmental stimuli can influence which genes are expressed or silent across generations. So perhaps just as nurture shapes nature, the nature our ancestors endured shaped them in turn. We likely retain vestigial instincts attuned to the sights and rhythms important for survival on the ancestral African plains, the green rippling grass, low murmur of water, vast dome of darkness sprinkled with celestial fire. Their afterimages linger in our biological code, sculpted over millennia. When we observe photos replicating such primordial panoramas, dormant circuits in brain and cells reconnect in recurring fractal patterns. Waves of kinesthetic nostalgia pulse ancestral remembrances which move us profoundly, long before the first Homo sapiens gazed to the stars. In this manner, photographs may catalyze genetic memories retained collectively in our species' DNA. Whispered recollections from when humanity first beheld the glory of the nightscape and were awed. If indeed our genes hold collective memories absorbed over generations, then could certain photographs act as resonant frequency keys, unlocking layers of ancestral recall buried deeply in our cellular code? Perhaps at the quantum information level, the photons and energetic signatures emanating from iconic images interface in subtle resonance with memory proteins and DNA-based sequences within our own biological framework, like tuning forks harmonizing at a subatomic level.